Thrush while breastfeeding can be frustrating, especially when feeding suddenly becomes painful. If your nipples feel burning, stinging, or unusually sore during or after breastfeeding, thrush may be one possible cause. Welcome back to Pump with Thilly, where we help breastfeeding moms feel more confident and comfortable. Thrush is a yeast infection caused by an overgrowth of Candida. A baby can sometimes have oral thrush at the same time, creating a cycle where yeast passes between the baby's mouth and the breast during feeding. So, what signs should you watch for? In a breastfeeding parent, symptoms may include burning or shooting nipple pain, nipples that look unusually pink or shiny, itching, or pain that continues even after improving the latch. Your baby may have creamy white patches inside the cheeks or on the tongue that do not easily wipe away. Some babies may also become fussy during feeds. However, nipple pain and breast discomfort can have many causes, including shallow latching, damaged nipples, dermatitis, or other breast infections. That's why it's important not to assume every painful breastfeeding experience is thrush. If you or your baby may have thrush, contact your healthcare provider and your baby's pediatrician. Treatment often involves an antifungal medication for the affected parent, while the baby may need separate treatment prescribed by their pediatrician. When both parent and baby are affected, treating only one person may allow the infection to return. Continue breastfeeding or pumping if you are comfortable doing so. Wash your hands carefully, especially before and after feeds or diaper changes, and keep nipples and pump parts clean and completely dry. Frequently wash items that come into contact with your baby's mouth or your breasts according to your healthcare provider's recommendations. Most importantly, don't suffer through persistent nipple pain. If symptoms are severe, worsening, or not improving with appropriate treatment, seek professional medical advice. Remember, breastfeeding is not supposed to be something you simply have to endure through constant pain. Subscribe to Pump with Thilly for more practical breastfeeding and pumping tips to help make your journey easier.